Hello, all my beautiful people. This is Val with This Is How You Do It. I'm gonna cook some pork chops. Season them. Flour. Fry. Fry on both sides.
Pretty much.
Well, people, we're on our way to pick up an air conditioner unit for Willie's brother. He does air conditioning, and he asks us to pick him up sometime because he don't have a trailer. Ooh, I got on a dress, y'all, and this is my little covering to go on if I have to get out. And I got on them straps. And it's pretty warm out there today. It feels like 100, don't it? Even if it ain't. It feels like 100, honey.
It'll be the mid-80s.
I'm gonna put some vegetable shit spots on the grill.
That right there ain't even on no.
What? The temperature. And I made some pork chops. Y'all gonna see the pork chops. I didn't do all the. I just say this, that, this, and then that they are. Okay. That's all I did with the pork chops.
Hello, I'm Beth Williams, and advice connecting to OnStar Emergency.
That's Willie, y'all. There's so much going on. Let me cut this out for a minute. Your phone ring. Cut it off.
Yeah, go ahead. You got it?
They doing it now. They finished that truck.
Oh, they buffing it.
And it's done. They working on something else now.
Everybody can buff fiberglass now. You got to find out who can buff fiberglass. But they'll mess it up.
Well, they look like they just spraying some kind of sheen on it and rubbing it.
You got something for that, bro.
Yeah, yes I do. You're right.
Everybody
we're talking about shining up the trailer now.
Everybody can't deal with that fiberglass. It'll be a mess. Everybody can't paint it. Everybody can't do what they need to do with it. I know one can paint it.
Yeah.
The tool paint the devil out of it.
Oh, yeah.
He painted mine?
Yes, he did. Was that fiberglass though?
Yeah, the same as
That's kind of plastic, isn't it? Mine is fiberglass.
It's the same thing.
I don't think so, sweetie. I think yours is more of a hard plastic. Mine is more of a metal, like fiberglass.
It's more, okay.
Yeah.
Everybody talking about, what you got on the thing to make it shine? Out of paint?
You tell the truth. Good paint.
Mine ain't shining that way, depending on what you put on there. They got the same paint.
You got to put on an automobile paint, not no paint.
Motorcycle paint.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
That's different kind of automobile. That's different paint.
But what I'm saying is, if they put something that goes on a vehicle instead of just some old black paint, then they do make a difference.
Well, somebody painted Pusher Man trailer. It was red. Two-tone red. It shined all. He was upset.
They have to put a gloss on it after they paint it too.
It still got to be the prep work got to be right, and they got to, primer stuff got to be right on it before they can put a gloss paint on it. They put the paint on it, and it don't be gloss paint. It be a regular paint, and they put the clear in it. Clear wouldn't make it shine.
Yeah.
But evidently he had no here because he had no shine. How you make it shine, boy? She said, I gotta wash it. Man, what? Who did your trailer? I told him. I said, they ain't got the right paint your trailer, Pusher Man. Then he got rid of the trailer and got one no.
That don't make no sense. He could have got the paint job straightened out.
Well, he wanted a bigger trailer. He got a trailer similar to yours.
Oh, okay.
They died the same year he got the trailer. You don't Pusher Man, don't you?
Yeah, I know. That's why people should try to enjoy what they lay life, how they living.
What you directing?
Traffic.
Don't bother. Them fools mixed up. They may lock it down.
Well, I didn't
all the
time. That's what kind of man he is.
What man you were? Supposed to be.
Get your yay be yay and your nay be nay. Some people need to learn that.
There's a deal about that. They practice what they preach. That's what it amounts to.
Don't say yeah and then go back there and say, "Oh, I sure hate they came over here. I sure didn't want to do that." Well, you should have told them you didn't want to do it.
You should have told them.
You should say, "Man, you know what? I really don't feel like be bothered with that."
You're right. Case closed. You keep putting my
Then they would have found somebody else to help them out.
Yeah.
They wanted to do it.
Man, I tell you.
Yeah, I know. I said, yeah, I know. I was looking at that great car that went by. It has nice shine on it. Now, Camaro got a good paint job.
Paint thin on your factory paint job. Paint thin on your skin.
Look at that. You see that one?
Yeah.
Now, that one over there in that parking lot is gray and dull.
Kind of painted here.
That one, too.
Some of them gray and some of them silver now.
Oh, that's what the problem is.
Yeah. What the whole deal is.
So what is mine, gray or silver?
Silver. See that gray right there? That's light gray right there. It just depends on the grade of paint, for one thing. You know, what shade of gray it is, silver it is.
It's gonna look good behind that bike, you know that?
It's gonna look fantastic behind that bike. It's gonna bring the bike out.
Yeah.
That'll come right out in front of it or not.
What?
Do the next, where we going? The street right there. That's the street. Yeah, boy. Don't drop that. Thank you.
Y'all see I'm putting it on the back. That's the unit and people putting it on our trailer now. That's what we came for. We're getting back in the truck now. Oh, yeah, I got that right here, baby.
Pull over here and drop it down.
All right, sweetie. Post lady got a lot of tattoos on her leg and on her shorts.
Cut it off, you gonna help me now.
Okay. Let's see if that vehicle's still in that yard over there. It was this street, wasn't it?
Yep.
I think it's right there with that black and white car is. It was right on the other side, opposite side of it. They gone. Shoot. I want the people to see it, but they gone. Look at it. It was parked. They were over here, I think. They probably went there to pick up a kid or something.
What was it?
It was just a multicolored vehicle. You know how they do. Well, you can sound that down, I guess.
Do what?
I think we listened to most everything they had to say happened. You don't know. Yeah, the cafe back open again.
They ain't never been closed.
Well, I'm just saying, people going in.
They been going in. They ain't never stopped.
I guess I mean sitting. They ain't got no line outside the gate, the door. They inside.
It's early Friday. Wait till that on. They was still sitting up in that damn food.
They already in there, baby. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Two guys came out with the bag in their hand, but the other one's in there sitting down. Well, y'all, we're going to have to close this on up. We appreciate y'all riding with us. While we went and picked up a few things, the air conditioner. Yeah, Willie still got his mask on. Must got comfortable.
Take it off.
Willie must got comfortable. Look at him. I noticed you were riding for a short little bit.
My nose wasn't covered though.
Oh, yeah.
I was bad if I had them.
I was proud of you.
Take them out.
You did good.
That's what Johnny do.
Is that how they do it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Willie be watching those movies, y'all.
You watched that person when I was in California.
Oh, yeah?
When they say that, boy, you had to get back.
Mm-hmm. When they say what? Oh.
I bet you when that fella finally would have caught him over that trail, I bet he back out on that deal with this cheap ass.
Mm-hmm. Now, it's more than just saying I want something. You got to count out the cost. Everything free ain't free.
And then when they get it down there, they ain't gonna let them set up like they put a red dirt pad up on it.
You got to have a pad. And it's got to tie into a septic tank.
And cheap as he is, you don't know if he gonna do all that.
And then you got to pay over $1,000, almost $2,000 to move it. For a double wide, you're gonna have to pay double that.
Yeah.
Cause you have to have two vehicles
It's
doing
gonna be
also.
more than that, cause he gonna lose the focus when we move across that field.
Yeah, you're right. You gotta do mileage.
Yep.
It's gonna be expensive.
You gotta take it down, reset it up, take it apart. You gotta do 2 trips.
You actually gotta divide that in half.
And put it back together.
Then you gotta put that make it seamless inside.
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know what you're saying. That's why I know a trailer company gotta do it.
Yeah. Yeah, you can't get no jack leg to do that.
Then it got 2 air conditioning units to go with it.
And have an electrician.
Yep.
Once that's all done.
And when you get it over there, you gotta have a permit to put it there.
Electrician gonna be almost $1,000.
Maybe more than $1,000.
So he's gonna need about $5,000 to move that trailer.
Yep. Then he got to spend money and putting it back together, fixing it up.
Yeah, then they need to fix it up because the roof caved in.
I don't know what the inside of that, because like I say, it's behind a locked-in fence, you can't get to it.
Yep. It's a nice thought, but
Yeah, it just ain't that simple. It's a good
it
thought.
ain't this simple.
Everybody never dealt with one don't know that. You think they got something, when they get over there, man, it's gonna cost so much money to set that thing up. You may change your mind when you see how much it costs to take it over there.
Just to move it.
Yeah, it ain't gonna be cheap.
You need a professional to move that. And then you
You're gonna have to get
you
mobile
need
home
permits. People with permits.
Mobile home people.
Mm-hmm.
Because they got to be separated. They got to get it over there, set it back up. All them blocks and shit, they got to get out money. They got to put them back on it. They tie down all that. It ain't nothing that damn simple.
If you ain't got no money, you need a loan to move it.
Yep.
And then you may pay back that loan, and then that may be cheaper than buying a house, but then you still got to have a loan enough to fix it up.
Yep.
So you got to say maybe $10,000.
No, it's going to cost $10,000 for septic. Well, he's in the city limit. I don't know. He probably tied into the city sewer, I reckon. But he's in the city limit.
I was talking about Forrester fixing up on the inside and fixing the roof.
I know what you're talking about.
And the moving. I was talking about a total of $10,000. I was wondering.
Probably more than that by the time you get away and put it back together. It might can move a 10. But like I said, they got to separate it. Take all the tie down stuff off, take all the block off. More than likely, they're going to put tires and axles up on it. All that going to cost money. And if they done took your doggone toe hooks off, Lord have mercy. Some people cut them damn thing off.
The tone.
Yep, what you told it with? Yep.
You're right. Because sometimes you don't even see that in some double wides. Because they don't be there no more.
They been cut them off. Cut them off with a damn toy.
Because they want them to look like a house.
Yep.
You guys, this is Val and Willie, but this is how you do it. We almost at the house. Y'all gonna probably get used to seeing how the truck move, and then y'all will be know we getting close to the house. You know how we be doing that? Yeah.
Way behind down. You don't know him to speak. High around the curve. He ain't moved yet.
He seem to be standing up a little higher.
Maybe he got to stand now.
Yeah. Looking at the trailer, y'all. We can see it from the street. Let me get off this thing. I'm thinking about them vegetables now. I'm about ready for them.
Yeah, I'm ready.
I had a pork chop sandwich. And didn't have nothing to go with it. I'm thinking about grilling them vegetables. Good. I need good. Oh yeah. After having the fried pork chop sandwiches, Willie said smother the other two. So we had 4. So we smothered 2 for to eat now, and we had fried 2. So we had 1 apiece. Willie had vegetables with his. He had some lima beans, old lima beans. I had cooked with some pigtails, y'all. And then I just had a pork chop sandwich. Now I'm hungry because I ain't have no vegetables with mine. And this is Val and Willie, but this is how you do it. I'm finna go do that thing, y'all. Do that thing.
That's right.
Bye-bye now.
Bye.
See all you beautiful people in the next video.
Adios, amigo.
The smothered pork chops.